Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetil and today I am introducing you with Godrej Properties upcoming forest theme plotted development in Doddaballapura, North Bangalore. And today we'll be revealing the teaser for the same project. And in this teaser we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, plot size, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before moving further, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is coming up in total 48 acres of land parcel with total of 550 plots with forest and hill view plots. Now about the location part, and this project is located in Doddaballapura in North Bangalore. And now let me introduce you with further connectivity and location of the project.
Doddaballapura railway station is 20 minutes away. Manipal Hospital 20 minutes. Foxconn is 25 minutes. An airport is 40 minutes drive from the project.
Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like of 11,000 square feet of clubhouse, kids play area, garden area, the forest area with the indoor and the outdoor games and many more. Now coming to the plot size. So here the plots are starting from 1200 square feet to 2400 square feet. Now let's discuss the booking process, and project is in pre-launch stage. So for now the EOI, that is the expression of interest, is open now. So we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel and will even guide you about the actual location of the project as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Godrej Properties newly launched upcoming forest theme plotted development in Doddaballapura, North Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.